guys, welcome to today's vlog. Today's vlog is going to be about my trip to Florida over the Christmas time. Also, excuse the mess that you might see right here. I just finished filming my what I got for Christmas video, so if you want to check that out, I will actually link it down below. Anyways, this vlog is gonna be all over the place just because I didn't really want to film a whole lot while I was down there, but still wanted to capture some memories. So that's why it's going to be a little bit jumbled, but yeah, I did come back home yesterday, so I'm back home right now filming the intro and outro and all that fun stuff. So yeah. So we actually left on Tuesday the 22nd, and our flight was delayed by almost 2 hours, so we didn't get there till about, I want to say 3 p.m. Florida time.
It's December again, I can't believe it. Whatever happened to the rest of the year? It went by so
But when we got there, we kind of settled down and got everything unpacked and all that fun stuff, and then we decided to go to downtown Winter Garden, which is like the area that his parents live, and it was so beautiful. It looked like a straight up Hallmark movie. I might include a few pictures right here to show you what it looked like. Sitting back down because my arm hurts. So Wednesday, I don't think I got any clips, but it wasn't very exciting. We decided to have a pool day because they have a pool at their apartment complex, and it was 75 degrees out, so we had a nice little pool day. And then later on in the evening, we did go to Disney Springs, but of course it was already dark, so I didn't really want to film that much, but we got our tickets activated right there so that we didn't have to do it the next day in the morning. And then we also went to World of Disney. That was like the biggest place that I wanted to go to, and got a few things from there. And we just walked around and saw everything. We did the little Christmas tree hunt. That was a lot of fun, and we got little buttons for that. Thursday, Christmas Eve, we went to Animal Kingdom. We basically went at opening time, and then we went back later in the day as well. But we rode all the major rides. We obviously started with Flight of Passage. It didn't take that long at all, maybe 10 minutes. And then right after that, we did Navi River Journey, which again, didn't take very long, but we decided to do those back to back. And then we went on lovely Expedition Everest. Now, I do really like this roller coaster, but it does get me every single time that I ride it, but it was really fun, so we did that ride. We also did Kilimanjaro Safari, and since it was still morning time, all the animals were out, so that was really fun to experience and see all the animals. And we saw baby giraffes, and the lions were out, so yeah. Later on, we did It's Tough to Be a Bug. That is also a cool show to do every now and then. And then we basically just redid like Flight of Passage and all that. But I will include my clips from Animal Kingdom here.
I barely did see it. Now I'm calling all angels.
Again, I didn't really get any clips on Christmas Day just because I wanted to enjoy the family time and relax. But we basically had cinnamon rolls for breakfast and then opened gifts, took a nap, and then later on in the evening we ate dinner and then decided to watch a movie at the pool area because there were like outdoor TVs and sitting areas, so we brought blankets out there and popcorn and watched a movie. And then Saturday we went to Magic Kingdom. We spent all day there again as well. So we did Jungle Cruise, we did Peter Pan, we did Haunted Mansion. Pirates was down in the morning, but we did end up doing that one in the evening. We did Little Mermaid, we did Pirates, like I said. We did my favorite ride twice, which is Space Mountain. We were actually able to use the disability advantage for his mom because she had a bad knee, so we were able to get in those rides a lot quicker since they're not doing fast passes. But we did get to ride Space Mountain twice. Yeah, but I will include all of the clips from Magic Kingdom right here.
That was there from the start. I want that Christmas spirit again. I find myself wandering down,
We're at Magic Kingdom.
listening to the sound from some street choir caroling through the air, and the smell of the big Christmas tree in the square. Here comes the Christmas spirit again. That Christmas spirit again. In one place in my heart, there was there from the start, from the start. Here comes the Christmas spirit again. That Christmas spirit again. One place in my heart, that was there from the start. You know I'm glad to tell you, my friend, I found.
We're riding on the ferry, about to leave the parks to go get some lunch.
I found that Christmas spirit, that Christmas.
Street, up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun.
Spirit again.
So I actually wanted to show you guys this cute little collection of Starbucks ceramic mugs that I have now. So basically this one was the first one that I got. I think I either got it for my birthday or Christmas 2 years ago, but it's this one from Animal Kingdom and it's really cute. And then This one I got last year for Christmas. It just has the castle on it and says my happy place. And then this one is the one that I got for Christmas this year. It's actually purple and has Magic Kingdom on the back, and it's really cute and I love it. It's got a few of the rides from Magic Kingdom. Then I might add any more clips that I got throughout the trip just as random, or any pictures maybe. That would be cute. So that kind of concludes our trip. I always love visiting them. I wish I could just stay down there, honestly, but it was a nice trip to have and take a break from our normal life here. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.